Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Kashmir University. First, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser or any other browser by your preference. And in the top section right over here, in the URL section, you have to type down login to Kashmir University and enter it after you're done. And after that, you have to click on the first option that says homepage mobile e-conduct, which is the official page of the University of Kashmir. Click on that, and right over here, we could see for the enrollment number and our date of birth in order to log in. So all you need to do is the type down your enrollment number and your date of birth as well. And after that, click on the login option right over here. And then you will be successfully logged into your Kashmir University. But if you need help logging in, if you forgot your enrollment number, then click on this option that says need help. Then you get help from the Kashmir University assistants. So this is it, guys. This is how you can log in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.